Hey guys, Cindy is Supposedly Chic. Welcome to this week's keto vlog. As you know, on Tuesdays we do keto vlogs. We have a lot going on. We have a lot of big announcements today. So guys, I'm just going to jump right in. As you know, I have been on this keto journey for a while now. I've talked multiple times about how it has changed my life and how I feel the need to share and inform and educate everybody that I know about the ketogenic diet and the keto way of life. Well guys, I've been working on this for a couple weeks and I have kind of a big announcement. Over the weekend I took my final test. I became a certified keto coach. So that means that I now am not just saying, well, I think you ought to, or your macros should be, but now I can actually truly work with clients and just one client at a time sort of just share this keto lifestyle. So really excited. I got lots of stuff to do, and that sort of takes me to where we are with the keto vlog. We are actually going to be starting a separate channel just for the keto piece. So in the upcoming weeks, we're going to do our best to still try and put some sort of content up here on Tuesdays, but we're going to slowly be transitioning to a new YouTube channel. It's going to be called Everybody Keto. So that's EVERYBODYKETO. So I'm going to put a link down here, but go ahead and shoot yourself over there. There's no content on there yet. We're actually going to pull some of these videos to at least get something over there to get people started. But lots of things. I have to set up my website. I have to start creating sort of meal plans, start marketing for clients. Guys, if you are interested in understanding from the get-go on your keto journey how to most effectively make it work for you, private message me, put a comment down below. Let me share with you at least sort of out of the starting gate what it is that I can help you out with. But that's not what the channel is going to be about. Not Everybody Keto or Supposedly Chic. It's going to be a sort of keto general YouTube channel, just like it has been. But now I'll be able to share more stories about people who actually have chronic illness and autoimmune disorders and you name it, guys, and bunches of success stories. Accountability matters. It's one thing for someone to stand there and say, look at me, I'm a bodybuilder, I've always been a bodybuilder, I do the ketogenic diet and look at me. It's something else to say that I'm walking the walk and I'm talking the talk, right? I am legit keto and it's not always easy, but it is always worth it. And that is where I think every person needs to understand and at least try keto for a month. Try it for a month. If for some reason it doesn't work for you, which it will, then hey, at least you can say you tried. But gosh, just think of all the things you deal with right now. Lack of energy, a little bit of weight gain, inflammation, you name it. Sore knees, sore hips, etc. What if just by changing your diet you can make that better? Why would you not want to try, right? So again, lots of exciting stuff. I'm not a web page kind of girl. I'm really more of a let's turn the camera on and just talk to the camera kind of a girl. So this is all new to me. Apparently it takes 4 weeks to do a website. I thought you could do it in 3 hours. So all kinds of exciting stuff. We are trying to do still a little bit of keto content for you guys. So I've got a keto chicken recipe that I'm going to share at the end of today's video. Also talk a little bit about some of the food choices this week. Again, we're in summertime now, so there's a lot of challenges. We went to the county fair here in Southern California, and everything is breaded and then fried. You can get fried ding dongs, you can get fried chicken, you name it. So able to make a couple healthy choices. I want to share it with you. I want to do a little plug for my buddy, because one of the reasons we went to the fair is because he does a Tom Petty tribute band, and it was really cool. So I'm going to throw a little snippet there on so you can see how much fun we had. So guys, bear with me. We're with a lot of growth equals a lot of change, but it's all good and positive. And I appreciate the subbies that are sticking with us and commenting on keto. And those guys are the true rock stars of keto. It's figuring out how to make this lifestyle work, right? So no keto crates today, no pricking our finger today. We're going to do a couple recipes, talk about how to handle unfamiliar eating situations where the county fair. I had no idea going in, although I will tell you all, if you go to a county fair, I think it's everywhere, as long as your stuff is in plastic sealed containers, you can take anything into any kind of food product into the fair. It's had some really nice SoCal wine from a local winery that was very good, because of course, as long as we don't drink an entire bottle, we can have wine in moderation. So guys, that's kind of where we're at. I'm going to talk about those, going to show you the recipe. And we are going to continue to update you on how our growth is when we start dumping content onto Everybody Keto. We will let you know so you can throw yourself over there. And again, let me know what you know about keto, what you want to know about keto, and I will find you the answer. I promise you that. So guys, let's start talking about hanging out at the county fair. Hello there, guys. We are heading to the Orange County Fair. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
All right, so what I did not know is that you can take food and drink into the Orange County Fair as long as it is plastic and sealed. So I have water because us keto girls need water.
Because you won't find that in there.
You will for like $7 a bottle. Powerade Zero. My hope is to mix it with a vodka shot, almonds, and cheese snacks. Because there'll be a lot of meat at the fair for sure. You know, turkey legs, barbecue ribs, you name it. But as far as snackage, I don't know what they're gonna have, so we will find out. But sorry, somebody almost ran into somebody. But we will check in when we're in the fair and we'll show you all the cool stuff we bought.
The radio on, I was driving.
So see, didn't the county fair look fun? I told you that my friend is kind of a rocker, man. That we had a bunch of good time at that fair for sure. So guys, I'm going to end this episode with a, like I said, garlic mushroom chicken recipe. So I'll post the recipe down below. One thing to note, guys, and it's just kind of a great keto hack, is any recipe you come across that says cornstarch, you know, like mix cornstarch and water to thicken a sauce, you can use, like we did, xanthan gum, or you can use psyllium husk. Quite honestly, you just want to sort of make a paste that is sort of looks flour-ish, right? It looks sort of thick. And then you can totally throw that into whatever sauces that you're cooking that you want to thicken up, whether it's a gravy sauce or a creamy sauce or etc. So that's going to be my main keto tip to you guys this week. And guys, again, like I said, we will keep you posted as to all the moves and changes and when we're going to start shipping over. But until further notice, every Tuesday and every Friday, you will get content from Supposedly Chic. Tuesdays are everything keto, all things keto. Fridays are all things unboxing, fashion, crafting, etc. So guys, if you are new to Supposedly Chic, I know this sounds like a really crazy channel, but it's normally not this bad. So I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor right now. I'm asking you just to pop that little subscribe button down below and hit the little ringy dingy bell, because then you will know when all of our new content comes out. And if you're new to Supposedly Chic, I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a couple of videos right over here that will get you started, let you know what we're about. And guys, until next time, living La Vida Loca over here, Cindy at Supposedly Chic, and keto on!